So for this video, I want to talk about 5 features that Volkswagen got it right the first time. There's a lot of stuff that, in my opinion, I think came with the car was really cool, and actually is very thoughtful from Volkswagen for this type of platform. So before we start, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. So let's get down to it. The first thing that I thought was really cool from Volkswagen was this emblem right here. So this emblem also is actually a door handle for the hatch itself. So you go ahead and push in here, unlocks the hatch, opens up and closes. So it has a very clean look, and it just looks really nice in my opinion. Also, if you have the rear view camera feature, it actually pops out, and you have the camera inside that peeks out to see where you're going when you're in reverse. The next feature I thought was really cool was a flat bottom steering wheel. So a lot of these sport economy cars they will have a regular just round circular steering wheel. Well, Volkswagen is among the few companies that actually have a flat bottom, and in my opinion, I thought it was really cool. It looks nice. Also, the build quality of the steering wheel itself is very nice. It's made of leather. It aged pretty well. This car has over 160,000 miles, and it feels good. Obviously, when you maintain it the best you can, clean it up and all that stuff, but at the same time, it held up pretty well. So I think it's a really good feature from Volkswagen. The next thing will be the paddle shifter. So obviously you can see I have the paddle shifter extensions. These are actually aftermarket, but I actually have a video where I install the paddle shifter extension and the shift knob itself. If you're curious, I'll leave a link up there so you can see how I install them. But anyways, for the paddle shifters themselves, I think it's a wonderful feature to have for this option, which is a DSG. And relating to this DSG, it's very quick. So the paddle shifters, once you hit it, is very responsive. So in my opinion, I think is really cool. Also, the fact that they built it with the steering wheel itself. You have some cars actually have the paddle shifters mounted on the steering column, where this is actually on the steering wheel itself. So the fact that you're able to keep both hands on the wheel and have your hand right there ready when you want to hit shift between gears. So I thought that was a very cool feature that Volkswagen thought of. This next feature only relates to guys who got the automatic or the DSG option. So for this platform is for a quick little car, I thought it was a great feature for Volkswagen to have for automatic option a DSG. Mainly why? Because DSGs, at least for Volkswagens, are very quick. They're actually very responsive. They tend to be very crisp as well, so you're actually able to have actually as much fun, if not more, depends on how you feel about manual transmission, automatic transmission. You're able to have a lot of fun with this. It's actually really cool. And sometimes also one of the cool feature about the DSG is with the right exhaust, you can actually hear what they call throttle blip, basically a sudden drop or change of the throttle when you change your gears. I thought it was really cool. It gives more life to the car, and that's the way I could see it. But I think it's a cool feature. I recommend you get a manual if you want a more reliable option, but I think you're not really losing anything if you decide to get the DSG. Just be mindful, guys, for DSG overall, they do have their issues. Stay on top of your maintenance. Make sure everything is good. Do not abuse it. Do not mess it up. Don't break it or anything like that. Don't abuse the car. If you're gonna get a DSG from a Volkswagen, I recommend you get one for, like, say 2013 and up. That's when they actually kind of ironed out all the kinks and issues with these transmissions. You're not missing out, guys, if you get a DSG. They're really cool. And more, in my opinion, they're very convenient for a daily driver. But yeah. So the last thing would be the seats. In my opinion, other than the iconic Golf platted seats, these seats are very comfortable. For good long trips, they're also really good when it comes to spirited driving. These bolsters are pretty good. They hold me in place pretty well. And in other competitors, some of them have those regular seats that are not necessarily supportive when it comes to, like, track or anything like that. So the fact that they gave you a balance of a comfortable seat for the daily drive, but also engaging enough to give you some bolsters to keep you in place when you decide to have some fun in the corners. So obviously my seat is kind of worn from all those road trips and stuff. I can see my bolsters getting bad, so I'm actually thinking of upgrading this seat, something similar, maybe a little better, but not too aggressive, mainly because I love the combination of what Volkswagen did, where they did not compromise comfort. Allows you to feel more secure on spirited driving or on a track or whatever. So I love it. I enjoy this I enjoy this car, and I enjoy all the things that Volkswagen did. In my opinion, is perfect the first time. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful for you guys, maybe to help you find to make a decision of getting a Volkswagen GTI like mine or some other car, who knows. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.